I never knew where I had to go. I just knew that my destiny actually magical. Perspective different before I was looking lateral. Like how you find your way around this type of environment. Looks in the trees and bushes, your fears hiding in. Then you find out the real side of them. All violence and now they on trial and it's like I need a talisman. Couple lucky charms, heavy balancing. Hope it's adding up, don't wanna count again. I just wanted comp to make it challenging. Loud, no silencing, I'm first team paladin. You fraud, all counterfeit. Always here, same screensaver. Don't trip, yeah, I see you in your dreams later. And I always had a lesson like teenagers. Every battle is won with some team labor. Young Vader, Luke Leia, yeah, I got mean saber. All soul, need baker, slice in half, I'm doing good favors. We was the wave on the porch like cool neighbors. And I'm still a North Crusader.